If you need a radio code for your Mercedes, listen up. If your battery went dead, or if you replaced your battery and you need a radio code for your Mercedes, this is how you get it. You don't need to go to the dealership. You don't need to pay anyone. This is how you get your radio code for free. Let me show you. You're going to come over to this website up here, mbusa.com/contact us. And you're going to scroll down here under Vehicle Resources. You're simply going to click, how can I obtain the radio code for my vehicle? This is what it says. To obtain a radio code for 1990 to 2002 vehicles, you can visit your local authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer, contact our customer care center at 1-800-4MERCEDES and give them your VIN number, and they will provide you with a radio code at no charge. They will likely ask you a few things to verify your identity, like your name, your phone number, your address, and that's just standard protocol. Once they have verified your information, they will go ahead and give you the radio code, and you can enter it directly into your radio, and you don't even have to go to the Mercedes dealership. Keep in mind, 2003 and newer vehicles do not use a radio code. So this only applies to Mercedes between 1990 and 2002. I will leave a link below in the description, and all you have to do is come over here where it says Vehicle Resources, scroll down, and then click on how can I obtain the radio code for my vehicle. I hope this helps.